Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. Today, I'm going to do my laundry, and you can do it with me. Let's learn easy English from my real daily life. It is a simple task, but I find it very peaceful and calming. I hope you will enjoy this quiet time with me as we practice English together. If you enjoy simple, calm English videos, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means so much to me and helps me continue to make these cozy videos for you. Thank you so much for being here. Alright, let's do our laundry together. First, I collect my dirty clothes. I go around my room and pick up all the clothes that need to be washed. I pick up my shirts and my favorite sweater. I pick up my pants and my soft cozy socks. I gather everything and put it all into my laundry basket. My laundry basket is made of wicker, and I love the natural look of it. It feels very simple and warm. I always check the pockets before I wash my clothes. This is a very important step. Sometimes I forget tissues, or a small note, or even a coin. Forgetting a tissue in a pocket can make a very big mess. The tissue breaks apart into tiny white pieces that stick to all the clothes. It is very hard to remove. So today, I check each pocket very carefully. I slide my hand into the pockets of my jeans and my jacket. All good. There is nothing inside. Now I feel ready to move to the next step. Now I take my laundry basket to the washing machine. I carry it with both hands. It is not too heavy today. My washing machine is in a small, quiet corner of my home. It is my little laundry area. Let's go there together. Next, I sort my clothes. This helps to keep my clothes looking nice for a long time. I separate my clothes into different piles. I make a pile for white clothes, a pile for dark clothes, and a pile for delicate clothes. Delicate clothes are items that need a very gentle wash, like a soft blouse or a thin scarf. Today, I'm washing dark colors. I look through my basket and pull out all the dark items. I have a black t-shirt, some navy blue pants, and a few pairs of brown socks. I also have a dark grey sweater. All of these dark colors can be washed together. Black, navy, brown. All together is okay. I put the white clothes and delicate clothes aside for another day. Today is for the darks. Now I put the dark clothes into the washing machine. I do this slowly and gently. I don't want to just throw them in. I place each piece inside one by one. This feels more careful and mindful. The drum of the washing machine is big and round. It feels cool to the touch. I make sure not to put too many clothes inside. The clothes need space to move around and get clean. It looks like the perfect amount for one load. Now it's time for detergent. The detergent is what cleans the clothes and makes them smell fresh. I open the lid of the detergent bottle and I pour just a little into the special compartment in the machine. I don't like to use too much. A small amount is enough to make everything clean. I love fresh. Soft scent Sit makes my laundry feel clean and cozy. The smell of this detergent is very light, like fresh cotton or a gentle morning breeze. Sometimes I also add fabric softener, just a small amount. Fabric softener makes the clothes feel extra soft and comfortable against my skin. It also adds a lovely, gentle smell. Today, I will add a little bit or pour a small capful into its own little spot in the machine. The soft, sweet smell makes me feel happy and calm. It is one of my favorite parts of doing laundry. Then I close the lid of the machine. I also close the drawer where I poured the detergent and softener. Everything is ready now for the wash to begin. Now I choose the setting for the wash. My washing machine has many different buttons and options. There are settings for a heavy wash, a quick wash, and a delicate wash. Today, I choose the normal wash setting. This setting is good for most clothes, like my t-shirts and pants. It is not too strong and not too fast. It cleans the clothes well without being too harsh on the fabric. I turn the dial to normal, and then I press the start button. The button makes a small, quiet click. The machine lights up and begins to fill with water. The machine begins to move, slowly, and the sound is very relaxing. First, you hear the water flowing in. Then, the drum starts to turn, swishing the clothes back and forth. I love this part. The soft, rhythmic sound of the water and the turning machine is very peaceful. It feels like a quiet, steady heartbeat in my home. I often just stand here for a moment and listen. It helps me to feel grounded and calm. While I wait for the machine to finish, I like to do something small and quiet. Sometimes I make a cup of tea or read a few pages of a book. Sometimes I organize something small, like a drawer or a shelf. These little tasks feel good to do while the laundry is washing. They help the time pass in a pleasant and productive way. Today, I think I'll just take a deep breath and enjoy a quiet moment. I will sit in my favorite chair near the window and just be still. There is no need to rush. Life feels softer when we slow down and give ourselves a moment of peace. The world can be very busy and loud, so these quiet moments are very precious. I will listen to the gentle sound of the washing machine and just relax. The wash is finished. The machine made a soft, chiming sound to let me know it was done. Now I open the machine and take out the clean clothes. A little cloud of warm, fresh-smelling steam comes out when I open the door. It smells so clean and comforting. The clothes are warm, soft, and smell so fresh. I love the feeling of clean laundry. It is one of the simple joys in life. I take out each piece, one by one. The fabric feels damp and heavy with water, but also wonderfully clean. I shake each piece gently. This helps to remove some of the wrinkles and makes them easier to dry. I shake my t-shirt, my pants, and my socks. Then I place everything into my clean, empty laundry basket. The basket is now full of warm, damp, clean clothes. The weight feels satisfying. The task is almost complete. Now I hang the clothes outside to dry. I am lucky to have a small space outside where I can put a clothesline. I love to let the sunlight and fresh air dry my clothes. The sun makes my clothes smell extra fresh and feel naturally soft. Sometimes, if it is raining or cold, I use a drying rack inside my home. But today is a beautiful sunny day, so I will hang them outside. I take my basket of clean clothes outside. I hang each item on the line using cloth. I try to make each piece straight, so it dries nicely without many wrinkles. I hang the shirt first, then the pants, then the smaller items like socks. Seeing my clean clothes gently blowing in the breeze makes me feel very happy and peaceful. It is a simple, beautiful sight. And that's all for today's laundry. Thank you for doing it with me. We collected the clothes, sorted them, washed them, and now they are drying in the sun. It was a simple task, but we did it together, step by step. Let's keep learning English together in a simple, gentle way. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more soft English videos. I love reading your comments and hearing from you. See you again soon. Bye bye.